If you made it through the process of logging into Schoology and adding this Schoology 100 course to your dashboard, you probably noticed that you don't have any other course tiles on your dashboard. This is because you are taking this course over the summer, and there are no current student classes to sync over from Infinite Campus, unless you happen to be teaching summer school. We've got a little workaround for this. We will be using a Schoology test environment. You can find this by going to guhsd.schoologytest.com. Please note, any changes you make in this sandbox-style interface will not transfer over to your live courses for the fall, which will begin to appear in the late summer, early fall as your site builds its master calendar in Infinite Campus. Please don't invest a significant amount of time setting things up exactly as you might want them in this sandbox session. It's merely meant as a place for you to try out the skills you're learning in our Schoology 100 course. We'll also be using archived versions of the courses you taught last year, but don't worry, you can't mess anything up in sandbox mode. Okay, once you've navigated over to guhsd.schoologytest.com, you'll log in the same way you did in the live environment with your GUHSD credentials. Once you're logged in, you should notice a bright blue banner across the top of the page, alerting you that you're just in the test environment and reminding you that anything you do here will not transfer over to your courses in the fall. Now, to get you some courses to use as a sandbox for your summer learning. Okay, again, we're going to go to the top and choose Courses on the left near the Schoology logo. Then My Courses on the right. And this time, you'll want to pay attention to the left-hand side of the screen in the area that says Current and Archived. We want to toggle so that Archived is selected. Now, a list of all the courses you taught last year should be visible. Pick one you're familiar with and click. This is now your sandbox. Here you can try out all of the things that you're learning in your Schoology 100 module. You might want to have Schoology 100 open in one tab and have your Schoology sandbox opened in another tab so that you can toggle easily back and forth between the two. The only drawback to using archived courses is that it doesn't allow you to see the true teacher dashboard like it will look in the fall once your classes start to sync over from your site's master calendar. Just know that you can come back to the lesson on creating course tiles later on in the fall to get that set up. Using this method allows us to train teachers in the summer even though there are no active courses associated with your teacher account at this time. Okay, it's officially time to start Module 1. Pop on over to your Schoology 100 course, probably in a tab that you have open. Go ahead and click Module 1, and then select the Start Here Module Overview to get started.